we are at the Young job starting our demolition. We have started demoing the floor, and next we're gonna start on the kitchen. As you can see, the refrigerator has been taken out into the other room. Next, we will start taking out the cabinets and the countertops, which are being sold to a friend. I've just arrived at the Young job to check on the progress of the demolition. Let's go inside and check it out. As you can see, the door cabinets have been taken out and put in the garage. And there's plastic covering all of the homeowners' items to keep them clean and safe. And some of this floor has been demoed. I just finished up taking a look at the Young job for day 3 of demolition. They're just continuing to remove that floor in the first floor, and I will insert a clip of that now. As you can see from that clip, the demo in the kitchen is completely finished. Everything from the ground up was taken out and disposed of. The next step in our process will be the electrical work. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you next time.